Hey guys, Lex here. I want to show you a quick video how to clean your motorcycle chain, basically anything with a chain. You're going to need a few things to get this done. Basically some kind of cleaning kit. This is one by Maxima. It's a 3-stage process. Technically it can be a 2-stage process. You're going to need some rags, motorcycle chain brush. You can get this at any auto store, Walmart, for a couple bucks, maybe $3-4. If you don't have this, use a toothbrush. Anything you have to scrub the chain. You're going to need to lift your bike up, so you do need to have a lift or some kind of way to lift your bike. I'm working here on a 1995 Honda Nighthawk, but the idea is the same for all motorcycles. I already got my chain cover off, so I'm going to get this out of the way, and I'll show you guys how to get this done. So here's a close-up of the kit from Maxima. First, you got the chain cleaner. The directions are in the back if you want to pause and read this. But basically you're soaking the chain in this, letting it sit for 60 seconds, and then we're using the brush to clean it off. Then you got the multi-purpose penetrant lube. This is basically displaces all the moisture and stuff to, keep your chain as clean as possible. Same with the direction steps here. And obviously they recommend using the chain cleaner first. And then chain wax. This is the finishing touch, just to give good protection to the chain. And also, after you do this, you want to let it sit at least 10-15 minutes. So we're going to apply the chain cleaner now. Remember, do this on a cold chain. Don't do it right after riding. For best results, you want the chain to be cold. First, we're just soaking the chain basically in the chain cleaner. You go all the way around, hit it from the bottom as well. And from the inside of the chain. Now we're gonna let this sit 60 seconds. And now we grab our chain brush. Remember, one tip with these, because people complain these break, they're break if you're using them properly. You don't take the brush and start scrubbing, running it against it. That's what's going to cause breakage. You take the brush, apply pressure, and just rotate the chain and let the chain do the job. We're keeping the brush in place. We're not moving it back and forth. So I'm going to go one direction, and then I'm actually going to reverse it to get the bristles going the other way. If 2 people doing this, it might be even easier, but it's technically one person job. Once I got it from the bottom, I'm gonna do the same idea from the top now. So get on there, and from the inside of the chain. And now let's reverse it. If you have a lot of gunk and grease on your chain, you might want to repeat the process. That's up to you. Next step is you hose this down. So just from the top. That you can see already. Let me give you guys a close-up. The chain is nice and clean now. Guys, it's actually amazing. So we're gonna let this dry out a little bit, and then we'll go to step 2. So step 2, we're gonna go with the lube now. This is gonna help displace any moisture, prevent rust, and so on. This is great to even use after you just go for a ride. Basically, we're just gonna start from the top first. Got the little extension piece here, and just get the chain all the way around. And then same on the bottom, get it from the inside. If you get it in your tire, definitely wipe it up. You don't want any of this stuff sitting on your tires. motorcycle chain is soaked. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and give it a little wipe for the excess, and then we can do the wax. And step 3, now the chain wax. Make sure you give it a good shake before you start. And same idea, we're gonna hit the top first. Spin the chain all the way around. And now from the inside. I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes at least before you want to ride. You want to let all this settle. So guys, that's about it. I hope this was helpful to you. You can get through the steps now safely and make sure your bike is ready to ride. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. I got a few other videos on motorcycle stuff as well as car stuff. A bunch of repair tips and tricks on this bike. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this. Any feedback or comments for others, please comment below. Please subscribe, and thank you.